What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Josh here. I know we've been missing for a while. I know I had things going on, and it's the ending of the year. Dr. Seuss. Uncle Sam, make sure he gets his, guys. So what I did, I know I wasn't showing the beast enough. Last time we did a video was an install. So I brought her outside to get some fresh air. Florida weather is looking great and amazing. So we did some fly around shots with the drones, or the drone. Tell me, guys, what you think on this. Comment below, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We got Corsa Rally coming up in 2 weeks, 10 days coming soon. I promise it's gonna be crazy. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna call it White Wolf. I don't know why. We're gonna call it White Wolf for now. If you guys got a better name, let me know in the comments below, please. But we're gonna be racing everything. I promise we're gonna be racing everything, okay? So stay tuned. Make sure you follow me on the Instagram, which is right here. Bam, follow that. And of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Check out the Instagram. That's where we have the amazing sick pictures at. Follow the build, follow the love. We're just another car enthusiast here, guys. But until then, it's your boy Josh again. Let me shut up, get to the video. Peace.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.